Oh, yeah, I'm getting ready. Went to stop at Home Depot, get some salt, stuff that I needed.
Oh, that place was pretty wild in there. Mondays is my usual night to go grocery shopping, but tonight I had to leave my carriage, go pick up my daughter, come back, just check out again. So we're here. We're good.
So far, so good. The closer you get to spring, the less likely you're going to have, the snow.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.